Video 255, Auto Tiling Shader, Part 5. If you remember from the previous video, the addresses 2 through 7 that are encoded into this lookup table, they're all either 0 or 1s. This is the address of the second largest tile size, and this address is not applicable to what we're about to do. So this is the address of the second largest tile size all the way down to the address of the smallest tile size, but these are all 0s or 1s. And we need to fix that. We need to take these addresses, and it's from this lookup table. That G is from this lookup table. We're going to redefine that lookup table again here. And we're going to take those addresses that are either 0 or 1, and we're going to smash them together here with some bit logic. And what that will accomplish is we're going to have the level local tile coordinates for all of the different tile sizes from DU0 to DU6. We'll have all of the addresses for all of the different tile sizes encoded into one number. We'll actually one number per axis. So BSC is a UVEC2. So this is the one number encoding all of the addresses on the X and the one number encoding all of the addresses on the Y. So to do that, we just need to take these values that are either 0 or 1, and we need to shift them into position here. And we're just smashing everything together. Now, we do have some diagrams to explain kind of what's going on down here, but it's kind of complicated, right? So these 6 bits give you the address DU0. These bits here give you the address DU1. These bits here give you DU2. And then for DU6, DU6 is always 0, so you don't use any bits. Or you could shift by 6 and shift out all the bits in this number, because there's only 5 bits here, and then you would end up with 0. So here's the math for getting the different tile size coordinates out of this bit pack number. But we don't have enough time to explain any further than that. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a larger explanation on this craziness, go to the longer playlist. You're on the short playlist. We got to get out of here. Get the source code here and email me here. You've been on video number 255. Like, subscribe, send coffee.